it, and the facilitation happens through the banks or through the government policy. I would like to underline the fact that when there are institutions like the Dharmasthala institutions, over the decades, I was just speaking with our Honorable Member of Parliament, over the decades, since after independence, this Kshetra, led by our Guruji, now Parliament member, Dharmasthala has been pioneers in rural development activities. Over the decades, and consistently making sure some activity or the other gave that empowerment to women in those villages. And when government policy also understands that this method has paved the way for village after village, women getting empowered, the government adapts that as its own policy. What has been tested, proven in the ground here is found fit to become Government of India's policy. This has happened consistently over several governments. That is why you heard the chairman NABARD speak that some projects are even pilot tested here because, like they say in science, many of you all will know it. They say in science, lab mein pehle test karo. You test it in a lab. And in a lab condition, if some formula works, it can be tested outside where there is no lab condition. Whereas where there is no lab condition, if it is tested and it is working there also, it's fine. But if there is hindrance there, you can adjust small, corrections, bring in tweakings to make it more effective. But here is a lab and outside condition together present under the Sri Kshetra Dharmasthala. You are able to test the veracity of a scheme. You are able to test whether the scheme actually reaches the beneficiaries. You are able to see whether the money actually goes to the benefit of the beneficiary who are sitting in the SHGs. You are able to account for it. There is a moral hold over them as well, which in many government schemes the moral hold would be absent. Here the moral hold is also there through the Dharmasthala Guru. So as a result, time after time, repeatedly, one after the other, every government rural development schemes